Welcome everyone. If you have iPhone 13 or newer and you haven't taken a photo yet, in the camera app, tap on photo and then swipe up. From here, you can add filters to your photo before you take the picture. So you can see these ones here, and you can swipe across to change the intensity, and then you can just tap to take a photo. Now, if I turn this filter off, and let's say there was no filter, either I don't have that feature because my iPhone's older, or I took a photo without using the filter. Well, if you select the photo in question, and then you tap on the edit option here, and then you tap on the filters button, you can swipe across, and you can see each filter here. And this works on all iPhone models. And then you have the slider to change the intensity of the filter. And if you tap on this icon next to the filter one, you can tap on the magic icon to edit the photo automatically. But you have manual editing controls you can change here, which can also enhance the photo even more. And once you're happy, tap on the done. Keep in mind, when I tap on edit, it does give the option to revert. However, if you were to send this photo to someone else, they would not have this revert option. It will only show up on this device. Okay, so you don't have to worry about someone reverting your changes. With that being said, if you'd like to help support the channel, please do check the description. Bye bye.